Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing newly launched kajals by Mamaearth. When I heard that Mamaearth has launched kajals, I was super duper excited to get my hands on them and finally review them, because a kajal is the first makeup product that I ever started using. I started using a kajal back then when I was in school, and I've always noticed that girls usually start using kajal as their first makeup product. So shouldn't the kajal also be safe and toxin free for the eyes, because it's the most used product in India? So when Mamaearth launched their kajals, and when I heard that they were safe and toxin free, I just could not stop myself from buying them and trying them out. So Mamaearth has launched two products. The first one is Mamaearth Long Stay Kohl. This is in the shade Charcoal Black. And the second one is Mamaearth Long Stay Kajal. This is also in the shade Charcoal Black. So I'm going to quickly open these products. This is what the Long Stay Kohl looks like, and it comes with a sharpener. So I'm just going to swatch this on my hand. It's in the form of a pencil and it's gliding really smoothly, and you can see that it's really pigmented, and that is just one swipe of it. It's damn pigmented, it's damn smooth to apply, and this is in the form of a pencil. So when this becomes blunt, you need to sharpen this using the sharpener that comes with it. And that is the Mamaearth Long Stay Kajal. Let me just give you a swatch of this. It's a retractable kajal, and that is how it looks like. Again, it's jet black, it's very pigmented, and that is just one swipe of it. Mamaearth claims that the kajal and the kohl, they both last for up to 11 hours and that they are both smudge proof. So I'm going to do the smudge test right now. I've given the kohl and the kajal 2 minutes to settle down, and now I'm going to rub my skin. As you can see, it's not moving, it's not budging. Even with rigorous smudging, it still did not move, it still did not smudge. So they are actually smudge proof. That is how good, that is how long lasting they are. I'm going to also do a water test now to see if they are waterproof or not. So I'm just spraying a little bit of water, and now we'll rub it. It's still intact, it still did not move. It just faded away ever so slightly, but it did not come off. It did not start dripping or anything like that. So it's a very long lasting eyeliner. It's so pigmented, it's so smooth to apply. It glides on so smoothly. And yeah, let me just apply it on my eyes and show you. I'm using Mamaearth Kajal right now. It's so easy and quick to apply, and as you can see, it already enhanced my eye look so much. It's so black, it's so beautiful. I'm also going to apply it as an eyeliner. It has glammed up my eyes instantly, and I love how it's looking on me. I highly recommend you check out these Mamaearth Kohl and Kajal. I think they are a must buy for every girl out there, for every kajal lover out there, because they perform really well, they are long lasting, they are pigmented, and the fact that they are toxin free and extremely safe to use on the eyes is the best part. And not just toxin free, but they also contain some really good ingredients for your eyes. Like Mamaearth Kohl contains vitamin C and castor oil. Vitamin C provides antioxidants to your eyes, thereby slowing down the cataract process, and castor oil helps to protect your eyes and prevents eye infections. Mamaearth Long Stay Kajal is also infused with vitamin C and chamomile extract. Vitamin C again provides antioxidants to the eyes and slows down the cataract process, and chamomile is very soothing and very calming for the eyes, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which also helps to prevent eye infections. So both of these kajals are really safe and toxin free, and they contain some really nice and nourishing ingredients for your eyes. I'm super duper impressed with the quality and the performance of both of these kajals by Mamaearth, and I highly recommend you check them out. The kohl is priced at 499 rupees, which is a very decent price for a kohl pencil, and the kajal is priced at 299 rupees, which is a very affordable price for a kajal. The products are already affordable, and in case if you want additional discounts on these products, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, on Mamaearth's website or their app to get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also shop their products from Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart. I highly recommend you try out Mamaearth's website for shopping, because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2021. Also, Mamaearth is a very plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than what they use, so it's an environment friendly brand as well, and all of their products are cruelty free as well. So do check out these kajals. The links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below. And yeah, that was my review on the newly launched Mamaearth kohl and kajal. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and do let me know in the comments below what other products would you like me to review. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.